What's going on? So you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to do your first push-up. You're not able to right now. You started working out. You want to figure out how to do it. You're in the right spot. Let's talk about it. A digital friend here is going to help me out just a little bit, and we're going to talk through the process of being able to do your first push-up. First and foremost, you got to start developing the muscle. You got to start developing the skill. It's a two-step process. The way you're going to get started with that is you're going to use a wall like this right here. You're going to push yourself off the wall, and you're going to do that for sets of like 15 reps. And reps, to make it simple, if you're just getting started, is how many times you're going to do it. Sets are, so you do like 3 sets of 15 reps. A set is each time you do a grouping of exercises, and then the reps is how many times you do it in a row before you stop. So anyways, you're going to do 15 reps on a wall, and you're just going to push yourself off of the wall. You're going to do that until it becomes easy. Then you're going to start worrying a little bit more about your form and make it a little bit harder by keeping yourself a little bit more stiff. From there, you're going to move over to a countertop or like a table, kind of like this right here. Then you're going to be able to start working the different part of the muscle. You're adding a little bit of an angle now. It's going to be a little harder again. You're going to do the same thing there. You're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps. Do it as many times as you can throughout the day. Start to develop the skill and the strength. From there, you can move down to the ground or a lower thing like an ottoman or something like that. But whatever the progress is, you got to make. But then eventually you can go to the ground and you start working on doing that first push-up. If you've got to do it from your knees, maybe you do it from your knees to begin with, but then you put those feet up and you start doing an actual push-up. Maybe you get one to begin with, and then once you get that first push-up, you start working your way up. Anyways, hopefully this gives you a process by which you can get started doing push-ups, so eventually you can start doing your own.